Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery. Use calipers to pry open the back panel. Pry open along the edge. Remove the outer shell. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Make sure the positive and negative terminals on the battery match the connectors. Install the housing in the correct direction and position. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.